Okay, the chicken, I bought chicken bones. For Chinese food, we always need chicken soup, chicken stock. So I'm using these, or you can also use this chicken stock. Okay, this is the chicken bone for 2 ringgit I bought. So we're going to boil this. We need a pot. Okay. Add oil. Okay. Make sure you don't add anything. Okay, no onion, no any spice, nothing. Just the chicken bone. Okay, add the chicken bone. Give it a quick stir in the oil. Okay. So as what I said, I'm going to use this chicken stock here. Because for the taste you need a lot of chicken. So I just bought 2 ringgit chicken. Why it's not coming in? Okay. Okay, I think about 2 tablespoons. Okay, and then just add the water. Okay, the water is according how many plates you're going to make. So this is super easy, friends. Okay, we prepare the chicken stock. Hello, you're whispering.
Mana? Berapa? 2.
Satu cukup orang tak suka makan. Dan dah kecil tengok ada banyak mana?
Tak. 5 orang, ada orang makan tak? Ngam-ngam lah.
Berapa 5 orang? Lagi satu tambah. Okey, itu aja. Berapa?
97.
Kan ah? 97 ah.
Okay, while this chicken I call it stock, chicken stock. Actually it's a soup, but this is the stock that we're going to make the Char Hor fun. Okay, so let it boil. Now we're going to prepare all the other ingredients. Lentils. வாங்க Penang Family சேனலுக்கு வாங்க. இன்னைக்கு we are going to make Penang style Char Hor fun. It's a very famous dish among the Indians. Char Hor fun. It's called Char Hor fun. Okay, Hor fun is actually this fat kway teow. Okay, just now we saw I bought it in the market. Okay, Arvind, come nearer, show the kway teow. Okay, this is the fat kway teow, will be like this. Okay, so we're going to make this char hor fun. Okay. Okay friends, Penang Family Channel, we always share the Penang famous Chinese dishes, but we make it halal, meaning no pork. So that's why we boil the chicken soup. Actually it's boiled as a chicken, the bones boiled as a soup, and then we call it a stock. So while we are making the dishes, usually we will just use the stock, so for more taste. Okay, so other ingredients very simple that you need: chopped garlic. Come nearer, Arvind. Okay, garlic you have to chop, fine chopped garlic. Okay, then here I have fish ball, fish cake, prawns, and then the stem I separate because we have to smash the stem like that. Okay, the vegetable is what vegetable? Sawi is pork choy. Okay, and then the other thing that we need for the sauce, light soya sauce, thick soya sauce. There's no Chinese dish without soya sauce. I mean there is, but you know, Penang family means got ketchup one. This one is oyster and fish sauce and pepper. So very, oh yeah, and then this sesame oil. Okay friends, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, we are from Penang. We are trying to share the Penang tasty recipes that usually Penang is on the northern side of Malaysia. So these dishes we call Hokkien. Usually when you go towards KL, Ipoh, they call it Cantonese dish. Okay, Penang mostly is Hokkien style, and it's very nice. You can check our other videos. We have Penang char kway teow, Penang char mee. I also have yu fu mee and all that. So it's all halal. Okay, and you can make it. You can try do these dishes in the house, and it's all very simple ingredients. So now I'll show you how to make. Okay, for the sauce, friends. First, we need this oil. Okay, I use about 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon.
Okay, teaspoon.
Fish sauce, 1 teaspoon. Light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Thick soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. A dash of vinegar. Okay. Okay friends, this is a 500 gram of kway teow, and the measurement that I give is for this. Okay, now all this sauce I'll show you must fry this kway teow first. Okay, if you have tried Char Hor, you know that the kway teow seller, the hawkers, they will first fry this hor fun with this sauce, right? So this is the sauce. Okay, I'm going to show how to make already. Okay, now I forgot to mention, this is the cornstarch. So before you start making the Char Hor, you just mix with water and leave it one side. Okay, and you need eggs as well. So usually in the shop we also need the egg. Okay, usually in the hawker center for 1 packet of kway teow, Char Hor, they will put 1 egg, but I don't use, so you can just add the egg and keep one side. Okay, later while making the Char Hor, I'll show. Okay, that's all. Tak jadi. Okay, I'm just adding the oil, just cooking oil. Okay. And add the kway teow. We call this fat kway teow, the Char Hor kway teow. Okay, and then I'm going to add the sauce and just mix well first. Okay, friends, I'm going to stir fry this fat kway teow until it cooks well and become a bit, I'll show. Once it's cooked, you know, the texture will be different. Okay, about 10 minutes, friends. I fried 10 irukadu, about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now I already stir fry this fat kway teow. Okay, it's ready, so just keep aside. You can also use bihun. Bihun is vermicelli or mee. Actually it won't be so nice. You can add okay, add oil, just the normal cooking oil. First goes in the garlic. Okay, and then fish ball, fish cake, and each will get 2 prawns, and the vegetable stem. Okay, just give it a quick stir. The stock. Okay, since my stove is very good, the heat is very good already, so it's already start boiling. Okay, just cover a little while. Okay friends, this is a very fast assembling dish. So add the sauce, 1 teaspoon. Okay, then I'm going to use a little bit of egg here. Okay, and then immediately add in the cornstarch. Okay, and the vegetable, the leaf. Okay, and for your surprise, it's ready. Okay, I'm going to add the kway teow. Just now we fried some. Okay, a little. Is it enough, Arvind, for your dishes? Yes. Okay.
A bit more, Kena.
A bit more. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. And then you just pour this on top here. Okay friends, the best thing that you can have with Char Hor either the sambal belacan or the chili, green chili. This is the
Green chili and vinegar.
green chili they soak in vinegar. But I'm not taking the belacan. Okay, thanks a lot friends for supporting us. Please keep on supporting. Please subscribe, like and share Penang Family. வாங்க Penang Family சேனலுக்கு நல்ல ஆதரவு கொடுங்க. And most of our cooking, we try to show Penang Chinese dishes without pork. So it will be pork free. So thank you for watching. I'm going to enjoy my Char Hor.